I think that the biggest way that they show up is in the way that we communicate with each other. So like boomers kind of prefer that more relationship oriented communication, like phone calls and even in-person meetings, and they may feel that those like informal those Teams messages are a little bit informal and unprofessional. Gen X prefers that like direct and concise communication. Email has been popular for most of their careers, so that's kind of just what they work with. And then millennials kind of develop those instant messaging tools like Teams, quick text, short emails. They're collaborative and feedback driven, so they like to work together. And then Gen Z is that like instant messaging, even video calls. I feel like I like video calls a lot. It's really just whatever is going to get the fastest response and is more like casual and conversational. So yeah, I feel like communication is probably like the biggest way that these like generational differences show up.